Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I got this weird mascara and shadow shield by e.l.f. It's only a few dollars at Target. Have you guys seen this? I saw this and I was like, what in the world is that? So Zumi, my daughter, always has a problem when she puts on her mascara. She always gets pieces of like the mascara on her eyes, or if she does her bottom lashes. So I thought I would get this, try it out, and then give it to her because I don't have that problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys close into my eye. I don't have any mascara on so you guys can see. And see if this sucker actually works good or not. This is quite interesting. Do it like that, or we could do it like that. And then you put it on. Kind of cool, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and get to that video. But before we get to that video, if you could, please push that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and get there to that new vid. Let's go ahead and get to that close up. Okay guys, there is the picture of my eye. Now, I am using a waterproof mascara because my lashes normally fall. Let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. So I think you would do it like this. And then just kind of pat it on. Hey, this is kind of cool because you get to really push down. Oh, I thought I was gonna hate this thing. Let's go ahead and try that again. Obviously some mascara is gonna get on there, so I think you have to wipe it off. Get the corner. Oops. Let's try the other side because getting that corner is a little more difficult. Wow guys, you like get to coat them like huge. Like a lot. I don't know why I said huge. You gotta put a lot of coats on them. And I think you also can separate a little bit better. I don't know, I keep getting a chunk right there. What do you guys think? Okay, so you guys be honest with me and let me know. That is one full attempt using this sucker. And that's how my eyelashes look. They never ever look that thick, ever. I mean, unless I'm spending forever on them, putting coat after coat after coat. But this, I actually like this sucker. I might keep this because like you just put it on, and yes, it's hard to kind of fiddle with on certain areas. I do like the smaller edge versus the larger edge, but it's total preference and depending on your eye shape. But like you put it on and then it's almost like you can squish the brush onto your eyelashes, and you squish the mascara onto there and it coats it like super thick. Look at that. I think that is stunning. I think this is a great investment. If I can find a link to this, it's very, very flexible. So if I can find a link to this, I will post it down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, is this worth it? Would you get this? What did you think? Is it an investment that you guys think you would make? Because I actually like this very much. I think it was like, don't quote me, $3 or $5 at Target, but I think it's very worth it, and I think it made my eyelashes look fantastic. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Guys, here's a tip as I'm doing the other eye. I think it's actually easier if you hold the plastic at the edge of the plastic versus the actual stick, because you actually have more control and bendability to it, kind of like that, you know. I think it's much, much easier just to hold the plastic.